For today's check-in, I'm just going to go ahead and show you some footage from the job that we did earlier. This is for October 4th, 2024. This morning we got a house wash, a roof blow-off, gutter cleaning, house wash, and pressure washing for driveway, and also this basketball court that I'm standing on right here. It is super rainy, so it's going to be kind of slow work, at least at the beginning here. Rain's supposed to let up. But let me show you what this looks like real quick. This is the basketball court. It has been a long time since it's been washed. You can see even the difference from where they had a kiddie pool to the rest of it. Got this little pad here and then a house wash. We cover all these gutters that are looking pretty nasty. So we'll get all that cleaned up. And then we've got the front driveway here. Should be a good one. Basketball court's all done. Looks a lot better. You can actually see the paint lines now. And then we also hit this little pad here that the barbecue is on. So that's good also. Just got done doing this house wash and driveway. This is the house we just did. And the driveway. Kind of older cement, but it brightened up really, really well. It was really nasty dark before. And then let me show you the back. So this basketball court was black. And now you can see the yellow lines and everything's nice and beautiful. Overall, good job today. And I'll see you guys soon.